What is not found page? A not found page is what users see when they try to visit a page on your website that doesn't exist. Next.js gives you an easy way to create your own custom not found page. Here's how. Hey everyone. Waving hand, welcome back to Quick Learn. Today, I'll show you how to create a super simple custom not found page in Next.js. Whether you're a complete beginner or just starting with Next.js, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Let's run the project. Copy the link and paste it to the browser and add not exist route in the link. We can see not found page from Next.js. Inside our Next.js project, go to the Pages folder. Create a new file called notfound.js. This is where we'll design our custom not found page. This line defines the function not found and makes it the default export of this file. In Next.js, if you name the file notfound.js and export a default function, it automatically becomes your custom 404 page or not found page. Here's where we define the design of the page. First, we wrap everything inside a div tag with inline styles to center align the text and add some margin at the top. Then we use h1 tag to display the main message, 404, page not found. This is the first thing your users will see. Next, we add a p tag for a friendly message. Oops, the page you are looking for does not exist. Let's run the project and add not exist route in the link. We can see not found page from Next.js. One of the coolest things about Next.js is that it automatically uses the file named notfound.js from your Pages folder whenever a user visits a non-existent route. No extra configuration is needed. You just write the code, and Next.js does the rest. And that's it. You've just learned how to build a custom not found page in Next.js and understand how the code works. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!